Look at that. That is $79.99 or 2 for $120. That is so awesome. I finally made it to this outlet one. This is smaller than the other one. How cool that is. Look at that, $7.99. I'm gonna actually get one of these before I go. That's cool. Normally $16.99. Couple frames. Star Wars. This is $29.99, but I bet you it's cheaper. I think that is that, so that's $7.99 for these. Pretty cool. Oh, and this is the one on International Drive, just in case if you're wondering. Look at this thing. $13.99 is usually $26.99. Still a pretty good sized store. Not sure where they're from. Oh, they have a good variety of princess dresses. This one's $24.99. It's probably gonna all be $24.99. Definitely cheaper than what you find at the Disney parks. Of course, they have the shoes. That's $9.99. Tiara for Snow White, $7.99. Looks like it's regularly $17.95. Check out some shirts. Or now this little coat, little sweatshirt, $14.99. Lightning McQueen Glow headband. Pretty cool, it's $3.99. Some Pirates of the Caribbean stuff. How cool that looks. $14.99 and it's usually $29.99. Definitely some good deals. Here's some more Star Wars stuff. Look at that Star Wars. Look at that socks. That is neat. $2.99. They're regularly $9.99. I know a few people will love one of those. $6.99 for these for BB-8. Of course, some little shirts, $9.99. They're regularly $20. Here's a sweatshirt, which is regularly $34.99. It's $9.99. Look at that. $19.99 for this. That is pretty cool. Yeah, this store is definitely smaller than the other one. So, all these awesome Star Wars stuff. This is regularly $24.99. It's $9.99. Look at that. That's so cool. Check out some price of the shirts over there. Okay, this is usually $34.99. $12.99. And this is usually $34.99. $34.99. And it's $12.99. So probably all of those generally give you about the same. Yep, $12.99. This used to be $39.99. Pretty cool. Here's some adult dresses, probably for like Dapper Day or something. Wow, normally this is $108. That's $44.99. And this one's normally $128 and it's $59.99. Got some cool phone cases. Looks like they're $7.99. This is a Star Wars one. And this is usually $29.99. Here's some Buzz Lightyear Woody ones. $7.99 again. Usually $44.99. Wow. It said select ones, but I think they're all that price. There's some cool ornaments. I think they're $2.99. These are regularly $14.99. Pretty cool. And here's some mugs for Mutant Hollywood Studios from 2018. Regularly $22.99. And it looks like they are $4.99. Pretty awesome. Have a variety of hats. Epcot for the 35th anniversary. And they are regularly, price isn't on there, but I'm assuming it's expensive. It looks like a $4.99 now. Here's some sort of baseball hats. $7.99, and these were $27.99 at one time. Of course, some more bigger floppy hats. Looks like these are regularly $39.99 and they're $11.99 now. Pretty cool. This one, $27.99. Now that is $7.99. Oh, look at these. These are cool. Geez, if they're... Let's see if I can get it out. Monorail bag. Now this is going for $49.99 now. It must have been expensive. Okay, well, this is basically half off. It was $100. Pretty cool. Look at these cool frames. Twilight Zone Tower of Terror. This was $20, now it's $7.99. Pretty awesome. They have several ones to choose from. Some of these mugs are even $1.99. Pretty cool animal print ones. They have some plates too. These are $4.99. I think they are $9.99 for little ones. The big ones now are $7.99. They are regularly $12.99. And look at these. It says $19.99, but I bet you this is cheaper. That's the original price. It's a mirror. Mirror on the wall. Who's the fairest of them all? This is regularly $34.99. It goes now for $19.99. Pretty cool. Here's more Epcot 35th anniversary mugs. Not sure how they originally went for, but they're $5.99. Might be in the bottom of the box. No, it doesn't say. Nope, it doesn't say. Guarantee that was used to be expensive. Of course, they have some artwork. It's like these assorted are going for $19.99. This assorted art here, and it used to be. It doesn't say on this one. Oops. 40. So these used to go for 40. Of course, it has the Mickey pretzels, which are $3.49 now. Not sure how much, but that was probably close to double. So they have some scrapbooks. These things for $3.99. Look, some neat pins. Star Wars. So the Disney Cruise Line. Over $4.99. I would think about it, this was a little bit more cheaper. But it's still pretty cool. There's some candies. $6.19 for those and $2.99. Okay, here's some newly marked on apparel. The 2018 Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party. Looks like these were $40, now they're $6.99. So I bet you this one's the same. No, this one's $4, and it was $32.86. What an odd number. Definitely some good deals here. And this is definitely a smaller one than the other one. The decoration, it's like a little conveyor belt thing that goes all the way from from there, and it goes all the way to here. Pretty cool. A lot of nice art on top there. The different Disney characters. Oh, and if you definitely want to buy some Star Wars stuff, come here. Look at all these cool pins. Swoop Riding Pirate. This is $6.99. I can guarantee you this is probably close to $20. And then it's like a lot of movies from Solo, watching Solo. This is $6.99. Oops. Pretty awesome. Look, they have some magnets too. I'm not sure how much this is. Definitely better deal here than you get there. See the Food and Wine Festival. This has been sitting around for a while. This is $9.99, but I bet you it's cheaper. This is probably the original price. Of course, they have keychains and some other stuff. Look at that. Starter set for pins. Star Wars. $14.99. It was regularly $30. Definitely a good deal on that. Here's one of those magnets. Regularly $9.99. This is going for $3.99 here. Pretty cool, huh? Show you some more of them if you want to see them. Here is decal. Small World Attraction trash can. I think. I'm sure if you like, it's like a little paper one or what, or a little metal one you can put together. $7.99. I'm not sure what they were regularly, but that's pretty interesting. Cool stuff. We have a Star Wars version of it too. There's some of these nice beach towels. $9.99 for that one. $19.99 for that throw. See how much the towels were originally. It doesn't say. So I'm not sure, but something like that could have been $20, $30 regularly. And then the throws were $40 and they're $19.99 now. And then here's some of these Star Wars vinyl animation things, $3.99. Not sure how much they were originally. Oh, $14.99 for one of these. A lot of cool stuff. Here. Want to say something?
Yep. Look at. Isn't this cute? I got this for me. $3.99. Look at that. It's so cute. At night now, Michael can see me. Yeah. Cute. Okay.
Here's some more ornaments. $2.99. This is from Racers. I'm assuming it's a different cartoon movie I have not seen yet. Pretty cool. They have a whole bunch of them. Oh, it must be some sort of brand because there's some Star Wars stuff. And Goofy. Pretty cool. Here's some more magnets. $4.99. They regularly were $20. Here's some Star Wars ones. $4.99 now. And they used to be. These used to be $21.99. Wow. Here's some other stuff. Some more ornaments. These were $24.99 at one time. These things are pretty heavy. I don't know how they expect you to keep them on the tree. This was $17.99 at one time. Pretty awesome looking now. Here's these things. $1.99 for these ornaments. And they used to be $15.99. Jeez. Wow. One more peek through the area. I showed you a good I showed you a good of what they have there, a good example. So that's what we check out over there. I try to do these more often. I know a lot of people like them, and they're interesting, definitely. The only problem is the parking at these outlet malls are horrible. They take forever to find a place. There's some drumsticks, $7.99. I see anything else interesting? I was added to this.